Easy now, steady. Watch your step right there. Clear on the ramp, send in the next one down.
This one's gait seems slightly off.
Agreed. Flagging for veterinary review.
All stations report green. We are cleared for inspection. Begin sequence alpha.
Okay, run the diagnostics on the liver panel now.
Results uploading to the main server, Doctor.
Cornea is clear. Open the mouth, please. Let's check the molars.
Yes, Doctor. He seems very calm today.
Excellent. Hump palpation feels firm. Record this as healthy.
Scan on the left foreleg looks good.
Confirmed. Data matches baseline. Procedure approved.
All camels cleared for transfer. Verification complete. You may open the gate. The pressure on Unit 4 is holding steady at 50 psi.
Noted. Water quality levels are optimal across the board. Check the thermal on Sector 4. Looks stable, respiration is steady.
Inspection complete on this one. Move to washing bay 2.
Are the wash bays clear for the next group?
Affirmative. Calibration complete. Sending them through now.
The brushes are maintaining consistent pressure.
Yes, the coat is significantly cleaner now. Check the neck and the tail section again. Patterns adjusted. Final rinse sequence initiated. Looks good. Approved for the final stage. Recording successful completion now. Check the dorsal fat pad levels. Ensure the microchip scan is clear.
Inspection complete. All roles accounted for and tagged.
Looks good. Approved for production.
The journey of premium camel leather winter clothing begins.
Large conditioning drums soften the camel leather using premium natural oils. The leather rotates slowly for the leather enters automated cleaning machines. Soft rotating brushes remove dust and surface impurities. Gentle cleaning solutions protect the natural leather finish. Automatic coating machines apply a protective finish to the leather. Rollers spread the coating evenly across every surface. Heated dryers cure the protective layer.
We've minimized the leather waste on this layout.
Excellent. Send the instructions to the CNC floor.
Alignment is good on these, looks exactly like the diagram.
Perfect match. We can approve this batch. Lids. The back leather panel is stitched to the front body. Automated sewing machines maintain perfect seam spacing.
Loose thread here, unacceptable. Sending this one back.
Understood. This leather quality meets all luxury standards. Final approval granted. Large steam chambers remove wrinkles and set the garment's final shape. Heated mannequins help the leather maintain its fit.
Precision machines secure every accessory firmly. South Asian female workers inspect every fitting carefully. Hardware adds both strength and style. Automatic polishing wheels smooth every leather edge. Fine polishing compounds create soft, comfortable finishes. Workers inspect soft polishing machines apply premium leather wax evenly. Workers buff every garment by hand. The camel leather develops a rich, natural shine. All green on the Asia Pac orders. We are clear for dispatch. Confirmed. The robots have the manifest. Each winter garment is placed inside a breathable, protective garment bag. Brand cards and warranty information are inserted. Large rotating conditioning drums soften the camel leather with premium natural oils. Temperature and humidity are controlled digitally. Automated coating machines apply a transparent protective finish across the leather. Precision rollers spread the coating evenly. Heated drying units cure the surface instantly. Heat embossing machines press the luxury brand logo onto the inside leather label. Every logo appears sharp and perfectly centered. Steepses. Automatic polishing wheels smooth every leather edge. Fine polishing compounds create soft and comfortable finishes. Soft polishing machines apply premium leather wax evenly across every coat. Workers buff the leather carefully by hand. Each men's leather coat is placed inside a breathable protective garment bag. Brand cards and warranty documents are added carefully.
If we rotate this collar piece, we save another 2% on the hide.
The laser can handle that intricate cut easily. Send it to the floor. Stingers. Soft insulated inner lining is measured and cut automatically. Workers prepare warm lining pieces for every coat.